Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an interesting problem involving an old Dell LCD monitor, model number 2407WFPHC, with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. The issue arises when this monitor is connected to a modern Surface Laptop 5 with a resolution of 2256 by 1504. When trying to duplicate the displays, a small black area appears on the left and right sides of the attached monitor, causing confusion. So what's causing this problem, and how can it be explained? Let's delve into the solution. The phenomenon we're witnessing here is a result of basic geometry. Known as pillarboxing in television and movies, this aspect ratio mismatch between the surface screen and the external monitor leads to the black areas. The surface screen's 3:2 aspect ratio clashes with the 16:9 aspect ratio of the external monitor, making it impossible to fully cover one with the other without compromises. While scaling the content can alleviate the issue, it may distort the visuals and not be visually appealing. In summary, the mismatch in aspect ratios between the Surface Laptop 5 and the external Dell monitor causes the black areas to appear when duplicating the displays. This is a common issue stemming from the fundamental differences in screen resolutions and aspect ratios. If you're facing a similar problem, now you know the underlying reason behind it. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep exploring those display quirks.